In this specific video of qbasic for beginners, I'm going to show you how to print day of the week on user choice. Example, if user will enter 1, then we have to display Sunday. If user will enter 2, then display Monday. User will enter 3, then display Tuesday. Like if user will enter 7, then display Saturday. If user will enter number which is greater than 7, then we have to display message invalid input, or please enter number from 1 to 7, because we have to display day of the week, which is from 1 to 7, Sunday to Saturday. So basically what is the requirement for this program is we have to input the number, any number, then we have to check which number user have entered. Then on the basis of that we have to display day. Let's go to the screen and let's solve this problem. I'm using here qbasic, which is easy to use. You can copy program, you can paste it here, and you can test the program whether that is working or not. If you are new, just watch my previous videos and understand the basic things of qbasic, and few programs are already there for beginners. Okay, let's solve this problem. The requirement is one number given by the user. So I will write here CLS and I will write here input, enter any number from 1 to 7, because we have to display the day of the week. So I will store that number in n. Now I have to check if n equals to 1. If number is 1, then print Sunday. If number is 1, then print Sunday. Else if, this is the syntax of else if n equals to 2, then we have to write print Monday. If number is 2, then Monday. Next, else if n equals to 3, then print Tuesday. In the same way, else if n equals to 4, then print Wednesday. Again, else if n equals to 5, then print Thursday. Else if n equals to 6, then print Friday. Else if n equals to 7, then print Saturday. Now if user will enter number which is greater than 8, for that we have to write else print please enter number from 1 to 7. We have used here if, so we have to write end if, as you can see here message also. Then after that I will write here end if and then end. First time if, then else if, else if, else if, else if, last else, and then end if and end. Let's run the program and let's see whether this is working or not. I've used here if once, then after that else if, because if this condition is false, then this will check this one. If this is also false, then next in this way. At the last end if, that means we have started if and this is end of the if statement. Okay, the program is executing, creating .exe file. Okay, now enter any number from 1 to 7. So I will enter here 2 for Monday, right? Let's run again. Let's enter 7. So 7 means Saturday, right? Now let's enter value which is greater than 7, that is 8. Please enter number from 1 to 7. Okay, let's enter different value, 12, 13, 12. Okay, please enter number from 1 to 7. So in this way we can write the qbasic program. Thank you for watching. If you understand this concept, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, share with your friends. Have a good day and see you in the next video.